Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. So in this video we are going to talk about a simple price action trading strategy known as level hold. This is a simple, at the same time it's a very effective trading strategy, and it's also one of the most high probability trading techniques. So this particular technique can be used by both professional price action traders as well as beginners. So it's a very simple approach, but at the same time it's one of the most effective trading techniques. And along with that, we will also discuss a lot of interesting concepts and important topics in this particular video. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and at the same time kindly click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification icon so that you can easily follow along with this particular course series. So let us get started. Let us start by looking at some diagrammatic examples of both bullish level hold as well as bearish level hold pattern. So the structure of this particular pattern or the structure of this particular setup is very simple. So let us start with bullish level hold. So you'll be having a normal support level, and you will notice that prices will be holding at this particular support level. And when the market retouches this specific support level, or when it retests this specific support level, you will see a very good buying pressure or a demand from the support level, right? So once the prices retest the support level, you will see a very good increase in the stock prices, or you will see a very good increase in the asset prices. So this particular movement technically means that there are some good buyers, or there are some good buying pressure is still at this particular level. So as the name suggests, bullish level hold means the bulls are simply holding the level. And bearish level hold is exactly opposite of the bullish level hold. So first of all, you'll be having a normal resistance level. The prices will be holding at the resistance level. And when the market retouches this resistance level, or when it retests this particular resistance level, right after the retest, you will see a very good selling pressure. You will see a very good sell off in the stock prices or the asset prices. So this technically means the sellers who were existing at the level previously, they are still holding the levels. The bears are still holding the levels, right? So that's what we mean bearish level hold. All right. So this is the diagrammatic example. Let us look at some examples on the actual price chart. Alright, so right now I'm looking at HCL Technologies 1-day chart. So what I'm going to do is, first and foremost, I'm going to draw a proper resistance level over here. So if you can notice the chart, we can see a very good resistance level just at this particular spot. Alright. So in case if you are not sure how to draw the support and resistance, I have already made a particular video on this specific course series. So make sure to check that particular video in case if you are not aware of how to draw the support and resistance. So what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to draw a perfect horizontal resistance right at this spot. Let me do that. Alright, so just by connecting all the major turning points, I have marked a proper resistance zone over here. And right now, if you look at the stock prices, you can notice that stock prices are actually testing the resistance zone, right? So you can notice there are two large bullish trending candles which are actually testing the resistance. And right after testing the resistance, you can see a very good selling pressure, right? So right after the retest, right after the retouch, quickly you can see a strong bearish trending candle, which simply indicates the selling pressure is still there at this particular level. The bears are still defending this particular level. Alright. So you can see a very clear-cut markings over here, which I have done right on the price chart. So here we can see a BUTC in the sense bullish trending candles. And here we can see a BETC, which is bearish trending candles. Again, so bullish trending candle is giving us an indication of a retouch, and bearish trending candle is giving us an indication of a selling pressure. So right after this sharp bearish trending candle, we could have gone for a short selling opportunity. We could have taken a bearish trade on this particular stock. Alright. So what I was supposed to do is, I'm supposed to take my entry right after the close of this particular candle. I can keep my stop loss just above the specific resistance zone, and I can keep my target maybe at the next support zone, which I can notice here. So this particular setup is what we call as bearish level hold. So the logic behind this particular trading setup is very simple. This technically means the sellers who are actually defending the resistance zone, the bears who are actually defending the resistance zone, they are still defending the resistance zone. So when the prices are retouching this particular resistance zone, they are defending it once again. We can see a strong presence of sellers, or we can see a strong presence of bears right from this resistance zone. So this is what we consider as a bearish level hold. So bearish level hold in the sense bears are still holding the level. So in some cases, the people who are trying to sell from this particular level, the people who are defending the level, are likely to be very big players or big institutions who usually take a large short positions, or who usually write large put option right from this level. So this particular setup I'm showing you on this particular stock chart, but this can be seen in all different segments. We can see this particular setup even in commodities, currencies, and even in cryptocurrencies. Alright, so whether you are trading in either one of these segments, you can take advantage of this particular trading setup. So all you need to see is, you want to see a very strong bearish trending candle right after touching the resistance zone. So once the prices touch the resistance zone, once the prices test the specific resistance zone, you need to look for a strong bearish candle, and that bearish candle should give us an indication of a selling pressure. So right after that, you can go for a short position or a bearish trade. Alright, so right now we have seen an example of a bearish level hold. So let us look at some example of bullish level hold. Let us take a look. Alright. So right now I'm looking at the chart of USD INR. This is a currency chart, and this currency is particularly listed in NSE currency futures. So if I look at this particular chart, I can see a very good support level over here, and I can draw a very nice support zone right at this particular spot. Let me do that. So here I have marked a very good support zone. So right at this support zone, you can see what happened with the stock prices. So first of all, the market is already defending this particular support zone. We can see that the bulls are already defending this specific level. They are already holding the level very strong. And then what happened is, there was a very strong sell-off. There was a very strong fall in the currency prices. But right after the sell-off, quickly the prices stopped at this particular level, right? So you can see the very brutal sell-off which has taken place here. And that particular sell-off couldn't pass through this particular level. It couldn't break the level, right? So right after touching this specific level, we can see a very strong bullish candles. And this particular bullish candles which we can see here, especially this specific bullish candle that we can see here, this is the bullish trending candle. So let us mark it up. We can see a very strong bearish trending candle which is retouching or retesting this particular support zone. And right after retesting this particular support zone, we can see a very strong indication of a buying pressure. And this buying pressure is clearly reflected by bullish trending candle. And right after this confirmation, you can see what happened in the currency prices. So right after this candle, you can see a very strong shoot up in the currency prices, right? The market went up by 5 to 6% right from this particular spot. So if you have seen this specific setup on real time, if you have watched this on the live market, you could have taken your entry right after this bullish trending candle. You could have kept your stop loss just below the support zone, and you can try to aim for the target at the previous resistance zone which we can clearly see on the chart. Alright, so this is a good example of a bullish level hold. And again, what might have happened is, some big players who might have bought the stock or who might have bought this particular currency at this specific support zone, they might be defending the level over here. So when the currency prices fell back to the level, they might be still holding the level. So when the prices came back, when it retouched this specific support zone, they once again bought the currency and they tried to defend it, this particular support zone, and pushed the currency prices upside. So this specific bullish trending candle is simply telling us we can see a very good buying pressure or a very strong bullish activity right at this support zone. So both bullish level hold as well as the bearish level hold, both are very simple trading setups. It's a very simple trading strategy, but at the same time it's one of the high probability trading technique. So all you have to do is you need to mark the support and resistance zone, and then you need to look for the prices to retouch or retest these respective support and resistance zones, and right after that you need to look for some strong trending candles which can act as a confirmation for us to take the trade. Even though they are very simple setups, don't let the appearance fool your perception. These setups can work out very well in our trading process, right? Sometimes you can make very good returns, you can capture very good gains just by using these type of simple price action trading strategies. In case if you are willing to learn more effective trading strategies and more advanced price action trading strategies, make sure to check out my website, that is www.tradingcoach.co.in. And also, if you are interested to learn more, if you are looking for some kind of a mentorship training which can help you in your price action trading process, make sure to check out my mentorship training program. Alright. If you find this particular content valuable, kindly click on the like button. And also, if you have any questions or any doubts related to this particular concept, this particular strategy, kindly leave it on the comment section below. I will try to answer them. And finally, thanks a lot for watching and have a good day.